Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be swatching through the Essie Spring 2020 collection. You can find this collection at 88beauty.com. This is another giveaway video. So if you'd like to find out how to win the full 6-piece Essie Spring 2020 collection, then stick around to the end of the video. So we have 6 beautiful muted shades of the rainbow here. We have 3 creams and 3 polishes that are creams with shimmer. I'm going to go in number order as I've done a few times recently with Essie because they put the numbers on the top of their bottles, and so it's so easy for me to follow along that way. You're going to be watching me swatch this on my natural nail, and you're going to be seeing my first impression interaction with these polishes straight out of the bottle right onto my nail with you here in this video, so you can see how they interacted for me. And before we get started, on my lips today I have this NYX Slip Tease lip lacquer in the shade Rosy Outlook. Alright, going in number order, we're starting with number 1606 called Spring in Your Step. So we're starting with the pink and the purple, and they are both shimmer polishes. The purple is up first, Spring in Your Step, and this one is like a soft orchid or lilac shade of purple with this very soft kind of glow shimmer. This is a shimmer that likely you won't see on your nail very strong. It's just going to give you a very subtle glow, which is also very beautiful. I really like both kinds of shimmer, the kind that you really see from a ways away and also the kind that just adds a gorgeous dimension to your polish. I'm going to be swatching everything at 2 coats today. This first one is Spring in Your Step. This next one up is called Kissed by Mist, and this is the pink, and this has a larger particle shimmer in it, and this one's giving me a blue to kind of pinky purple flash in that shimmer. It's really beautiful and strong. So I'm going to swatch this one in 2 coats again, and the shimmer does show up better in this polish. It's just a larger particle shimmer, so you can really see it. And I believe this is the same shimmer that's going to show up in the next polish as well, but because they have a totally different base color, the shimmer looks really different. It's really, really fun. So this is 2 coats of Kissed by Mist, and if I have anything in my collection already that I feel is very similar to the colors in this collection, I will go ahead and share that with you. I know I move quickly through these comparisons, but just hit pause and you can write down anything you want to look up later. I know that I've had a few comments lately that moves by too quickly, but you know what? When I take longer on that part, I get complaints that it takes too long. So just bear with me, you guys. I'm doing the best I can to find kind of a happy medium. Okay, third in the collection, number 1608, is called Make a Splash, and this is the 3rd shimmer. So we're doing all the shimmers, then we'll do all of the creams without shimmer. So like I said, I think this has the same shimmer as the last one. It's a beautiful bright blue to like a pinky purple, kind of larger particle shimmer. Very, very beautiful, and this one's in a dusty gray blue base. Super, super pretty because of that base, leans a more blue vibe. The contrast of the pink just looks stunning in this polish, whereas in the last one you definitely could see the pink, but the blue and the purple was really shining out of that pink base. So it's really fun. I love it when Essie does this gleaming shimmers. They're really, really beautiful. So this was 2 coats of Make a Splash from Essie. I've been doing top coat on everything today, by the way, giving you macro shots of these shimmers. The creams, we probably won't do macro shots because there's nothing really for you to see in the creams. But yes, this is the end of the shimmers for the collection. Let's move on to the straight creams. Okay, so some more spring colors here. We have Can Do Attitude, and dew is spelled like morning dew on the grass kind of dew. And this is a lovely, very kind of pale sage green. Super, super pretty, gorgeous formulation. I'm going to do 2 coats, of course. And I feel like a number of brands have put out polishes in this shade range this year, but it's just so beautiful. I love a great sage. It's almost like wearing a neutral for me, so it's just beautiful. 2 coats of Can Do Attitude. The next cream that has no shimmer is this kind of soft peachy cantaloupe shade, and it is called Feeling Wellies. It's still kind of bright and pastel looking, but all of these polishes are a little bit subdued. And Feeling Wellies, I'm going to do 2 coats of it again today, and it's just a really gorgeous transition into spring kind of shade. It's starting to brighten things up. So that applied so nicely at just 2 coats. And the final polish in the collection is a neutral. This is kind of like a bone to khaki shade, so not technically a pastel shade, but it goes really nicely with all the pastels in the collection. This is called Rainwear Don't Care, and I feel like if a khaki is such a gorgeous shade to wear in your attire, then that goes exactly the same for your nails. I love a khaki on my nails. It's so beautiful. This one definitely does have a lot of yellow in it, but these are slightly dusted down, so they're not super intense punchy colors. So I did 2 coats of Rainwear Don't Care, and again, if I have anything very similar to these shades, I'm giving you a comparison after you see my full hand swatch. So I have a few things to share with you for Rainwear Don't Care. So hopefully you found those comparisons helpful. And now, if you would like to find out how to win this collection, I do have one full set that I purchased that's been unopened for one of you. All you need to do to enter to win this collection is be subscribed to this channel and then leave me a comment down below and let me know what is your favorite thing about the spring. And if you aren't about to enter spring, because I know I have viewers all over the world, then please tell me what your favorite thing is about your current season that you're about to head into. I will pick the winner in about a week, so we give enough people a chance to enter. And the way that I'll pick is by commenting on your comments. So come check back to the video in about a week and see if I commented, and then I can get some contact information from you and find out where I can send your polishes. This is open internationally and domestically, so good luck everyone. If you enjoy giveaways, I have a live swatch and giveaway video every week on my channel on Saturdays at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. If you like indie polishes, we do indie polish giveaways on the weekends. So definitely come stop by. It gives you a fun chance to hang out with fellow polish lovers and play some games, have some chat about polish and about all aspects of our lives. So come hang out. I would love to see you there. Thanks for stopping by for this video today. I really appreciate it. If you aren't yet subscribed, make sure you do so, especially if you want to enter the giveaway. And if you want more nail polish, I have so many more videos for you to watch today, so just click on another one. It's going to pop up on the screen in just a second. Have a fantastic rest of your day. Take care. Bye.